Oh, good morning. So, it's Thursday, which means our Airbnb adventure is over. We're downstairs in the car with Eve. I think I'm gonna do this last one. Hopefully, in one last haul. We've got Eve's stuff, the Mac, Eve's TV, and our Instapot. But here's one last look at our little studio Airbnb. I will always remember this exposed wall and this view. That right there is the 900 North Michigan. Across from me, you can't see because the fog with that black building is the John Hancock. I got a ticket this morning on that street, parking wrong in the wrong direction. So I go from getting no tickets for years to getting 2 in 1 week. That's not cool, but you're gonna do what you're gonna do. Like, apparently I broke the law parking. I didn't know it was a one-way. So I parked on the wrong side of the road, gotta pay the ticket. Luckily it's only a $25 one, so it'll be fine. Listen to the rules of the road.
Hello, welcome back to the vlog. My name is Dominic, Peter, and Sarah's nephew. I got my little brother with me. Say hi. I got my other brother with me. Hello, Jack. Hello. Sorry, I gotta fix the camera. Okay. Sorry, this might take a while. And Sarah came to the rescue for the day. Okay. The last vlog,
yeah, so you could go
we are like
then you guys
doing
sharing these
this vlog. We're gonna do something cool.
What are you doing?
Making slime.
Nice.
Nickelodeon.
Dom, you just measured out the slime ingredients?
15 milliliters.
Is this Nickelodeon slime? Nice. What colors are you gonna make?
I'm making white.
What color are you gonna make, Jackson?
Green.
Nice.
Okay.
One.
Okay, now you stir. But remember what I said. Very gentle, slow stirs.
Wait, is it
Oh, it's already slimy. Look.
Can I touch it?
Not yet. Once
All
there's.
right, it's like gel.
Okay, now you can use it on your hands and knead it. Go, like knead it like dough.
Do I gotta do that?
After you're done with
Slime
more
from
water.
the bowl to knead and work until you have a stretchy and soft material. That's really cool. You're almost there. Jackson's is gonna glow in the dark.
Dom, show him your hands. Dom's for some reason is like extra slimy.
I think maybe the water ratio is off.
Maybe.
Yeah, try to do this. Yeah.
Jackson's turned out a little bit more firm. But Dominic's is a little messy.
Jackson's like turned out perfect.
It's still like.
Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
What are you guys eating?
Mac and cheese. I don't even chew it. I just chew it for like a little.
I don't chew it. You better chew it.
I'm just taking a break.
So, some people have asked us why we stayed in Airbnb. And the reason is because my mom is really allergic to dogs, and we never had dogs growing up. It's just not like a dog house. And last year we were able to stay in the basement, but with the baby and their whole living situation, we didn't want it to like impede on their like area. So that's why we stayed at the Airbnb. But then when our trip got pushed back, and we only had the Airbnb for a certain amount of nights, we would rather stay here and only be able to stay in like a couple of areas and carry Eve around than go home early. So that is why you will see us holding Eve and being in only a handful of rooms with her.
Yeah, we're making it work. Right now we're like, this is like a storage room. Is this turning into the toy room?
Yeah.
So it's turning into a toy room eventually, but it's not ready yet. So we've like sectioned it off to make Eve have a little area. But we gotta go. She's about to wake up.
That's why there's boxes full of kids stuff.
Yeah, it's a future toy room. All right, the girls just left, and they decided to leave me and Grant
in charge
of these two girls. So it's gonna be a party time. We're gonna teach Violet how to get an awesome ratio, kill to death ratio in Call of Duty. We're gonna teach Eve to just lay on the ground in the basement.
I'm spilling cheese all over the place.
And Grant is currently pouring powdered cheese all over his daughter's head.
Yep.
Good start to the night.
Look at this.
You want to be a vlogger, Vivi? I swear, if you start a YouTube channel right now, Vivi.
100,000 followers in a week.
By the time she, true, and by the time she was 3 years old, sponsored by the U.S. government, the Switzerland government, Venezuela. Where else?
Iceland.
Iceland. You got sponsors left and right.
This is true.
And all Grant will care about is if she's in a good soccer organization.
No, she's gonna be on the national team when she's 5.
She's gonna be on the national team when she's 5. Put a comment down below if you know what that means, because I don't. This is Grant's, what is it, Monday night? Friday night? Thursday night? Thursday night? Chopped up grapes and baby shark.
We're at the movies. Christina doesn't like the movies. I hate the movie theater. She just has anxiety about things that can happen in the movie theater. But we're seeing Mary Poppins. I'm like really nervous actually, because it's gotten great reviews. But it's Mom's fave.
Thanks for hanging out with Newbie.
We got Grant down there with Violet, who's fighting going to sleep because the Greatest Showman on. You got Eve down there, who's literally knocked out with her head crooked to the side. I'm drying some dishes right here. I thought this was gonna be, maybe it'll get more exciting when I'm done with the dishes and Violet falls asleep. But everybody thought me and Grant were gonna have like a raging house party, but we're kind of boring. This is a dad hard at work. Trying to get this, he's been doing this for like what, 20 minutes? How do your arms feel?
Been doing this for a while. On and off for the last 30, 40 minutes.
Those arms are gonna...
My lower back.
She's straight fighting. She's so tired, but straight fighting this. Look who's back, and look who's still awake.
That movie.
Do you want to go see it again with me?
Yeah.
Perfect.
It's fabulous.
Vivi, you gotta go to bed, it's late. Is this your
She
favorite?
loves it.
Grant's trying to optimize his SEO
I
for
understand hashtags, but where do I input them? I'm not putting them on my homepage.
sass. Has got to drop a little bit. We got late night Doritos.
Hangry.
Grant's hangry. Sarah's pupping around with the pup.
If anyone wants to sponsor my soccer club, hit them in the DMs.
Wait, say it again. What did you just say?
Said McDonald's.
Y'all want 40 chicken nuggets?
Sarah's got that late night hunger going. And when she comes in the south side of Chicago, she gets her McDonald's on.
Guys.
Sarah's never done delivering McDonald's.
You have to. It's the best. You spend like $25 for 40 chicken nuggets and 3 barbecue sauces.
It's a lot of money. We're going here.
Now it's time to say goodbye
to all our company. M-I-C.
See you real soon.
K-E-Y.
Why? Because we love you.
M-O-U-S-E.
All Eve wants is Doritos. That's all Eve wants.
That's why we're going to bed. So she'll calm down.
It's good to be home.
It's good to be home.
Hearts for Eve and the Doritos.
Doggitos.
Doggitos.
Come on, Doritos. Step up your game.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.